Alright guys, so right now I'm here in the E-Class 300de, which basically is like electric and diesel at the same time, so it will be certainly interesting experience. So yeah, in CLA, in GLE, and in this E-Class we are driving alone, and in the A35 and in the G350d and there are instructors. So this was my first stop, and there I can't wait. I should go to the first, but there was some kind of misunderstanding, so but doesn't matter, we will change at every car. So yeah, this is like it's called the road show. It's like a quick, we can say quick test drives. So I feel like when I don't press the accelerator, the car is braking, probably for the battery. So this is just like a first drive introduction. It's in sport mode. That's nice. So it's like regenerating power into the batteries when you don't brake, so it's interesting. This is my first drive in a plug-in hybrid. So the purpose of this vehicle is when you're driving in the city, you should have like an electric plug-in hybrid system, and when you are going outside of the city, like on the highway or like on some kind of trip, then you can turn on the diesel engine, and right now RPMs are 0, so the engine is not on, the diesel engine. But this is my first introduction. Nobody told me anything about this car, so yeah. I already drove that one, it's on my channel, like 5 videos, so yeah, that will be just we can say reminder of what it is. But yeah, G-Class felt very nice. I didn't want to speak because the guy was like cooperating. It's a nice car, it's comfortable, it's quiet here when the diesel engine is off. This is quiet car now, so like EV mode, you can feel it like something like that. So I think right now the petrol engines are similar quiet as EVs, because at Mercedes the petrol engines are very quiet and sound isolation is superior as well. So that's great. Diesel is definitely more loud than EV, that's for sure. Oh, this is different. This is 300d diesel. Okay, so black interior, very nice. So this is like a super fast review. Let's put it in a sport mode. Okay, so I should be second. Steering wheel like in an A-Class, more sporty sound. this is now doing automatically, Distronic Plus. Okay, we can test that. So yeah, I drove the 450 petrol. And this is diesel, so my first impression is this is really nice, and Distronic is braking for me. So A35 has some serious acceleration, but I can see him also, so that's good. And yeah, this is like a autopilot in GLE. I really like GLE. It's a good car for a comfortable drive. Okay, so if I pop it back into comfort, this lowers the RPMs, and it's now a quieter car. Yeah, very refreshing. Similar from the A-Class. Very comfortable drive. Yeah, Distronic is doing his thing. Okay, so we can see now how the car works back in sport mode. It's on -1, so it's lowered, and it's comfortable drive. Cannot say anything. Yeah, I like the ambient lighting. It's comfortable, its AC is working, ride is smooth even in a sport mode, so very good. And we are charging again. So yeah, this is 180, and yeah, it's cool. My first drive with the CLA.